Vlogging is one of the fastest growing small business ideas you can start with today. Cut to a person typing on a laptop in a cozy home office, smiling. But before you dive in, ask yourself these questions. Do you have a passion for writing? Does the idea of sharing your interests with the world excite you? Scene changes to a person jotting ideas in a notebook with doodles of topics like food, travel, tech, and fashion. If you answered yes, then congratulations. You already have the spark to become a blogger. Cut to dynamic visuals. Someone clicking publish on a blog post, followed by scenes of people reading blogs on their phones and laptops. Blogging isn't just a hobby anymore. It's a powerful way to express yourself, build a community, and even create a sustainable income. Scene shifts to a person celebrating as they see positive comments and notifications on their blog. Getting started is simple. Choose a niche you're passionate about. Set up your blog using beginner-friendly platforms and start creating content that resonates with your audience. Visual of someone brainstorming blog ideas with sticky notes, healthy recipes, DIY projects, digital marketing tips. Remember, consistency is key. The more you write, the better you'll get, and the more you'll connect with readers who share your passion. Scene shows someone enjoying a cup of coffee, looking inspired as they brainstorm. So, what's stopping you? The world is waiting to hear your story. Start your blogging journey today.